everyone, for today's video I am excited to try this brushes from Morphe. This is what it looks like in the packaging. This is what the brushes looks like. I want to see how it performs without washing it yet. This is what the blending crease brush looks like. This is what the pencil crease brush looks like. And this is the blending fluff brush looks like. The Duo Deluxe crease brush looks like. This is the oval shadow brush looks like. Is the bullet crease brush. This is what it looks like. Let's see how it performs in my eyelids. So first I'm using this Morphe M230. I love that I can put this in the precise where I want the pigment to be. I love that. I'm gonna use this 3-2-1 brush. So I'm gonna switch to brush M574. This is so much better. Go back with this brush M30 just to blend it. So I'm actually gonna try this brush M429 and let's see how this one performs. Oh, it gives me like an airbrush finish. I'm gonna take this brush M167. I did not like how this one performs. I'm gonna use my thumb and taking this shade. So there's a lot of fallouts in this eyeshadow, as you can see. It's in my nose. I'm gonna take that. It's just a minimal fallout though. I'm gonna take this brush again just to blend the edges. I surprisingly love this brush. I'm taking this brush M321 again. I'm gonna use this for my lower lash line. I surprisingly love this brushes in blending, especially this one that I find very odd. Oh, my eyeshadow looks so well blended. I'm just gonna finish my other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, so my final thoughts about the brushes. I think I have a new favorite, eye brushes. Out of the 6, my favorite is surprisingly this one. This is actually the first time I own something like this, and every time you blend it, this one gives you that seamless finish. It is the Morphe M429. And this blending brush, that's why there's a lot of people hyping this brush, the M330, because this is a nice blending brush. So this is originally $36 for this 6 brushes, but now this is currently $14 for this 6 brushes. So check it at the Ulta website. And yeah, I love these 6 brushes.